Okay, so those of you who are wanting to do the stop motion animation, you're going to need the right app. So here I am, just a Google search. I Googled stop motion extension, and one of the first things that pops up is this Stop Motion Animator Chrome Web Store. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. It's going to take me in here. Now mine says launch because I already went ahead and downloaded this extension and made it part of my Chrome browser. So you'll just click the little button there to add to Chrome. That will make it an extension that's available to you, and then you can launch the app, and it will look something like this. Okay, it's pretty simple format, and basically from what I can tell is you do this. I'm going to turn the camera down. I'm going to animate something. Okay, so let's say I want to animate this calculator. Actually, let's do this because it'll be fun. Okay, so I want to animate this calculator. I'm going to capture this. Capture that. You see this giving me a shadow of what I'm doing. Okay, and then I can make it. Okay, and then I can play it back. It's just that easy. Stop motion animator. Enjoy.